kami po ay nagbabalik. Ako po ulit si Cassie Gormley with Alfred Valbuena. So titingnan po natin for set number 3. Ito na ba ang last set or babawi pa ba ang Lady Falcons to force a set number 4 and make it until set number 5?
Yes. Sa tingin ko kaya naman ng Lady Falcons na mapanalo tong set na to. Incoming third set. Kung maging mas magkaroon sila ng communication. Kasi kita naman natin dito na sa stats natin, hindi masyadong nagkahalayo sa attacks and sa blocks. And lalo sa service ace, tama mo, 4-1. Pero yun nga sa unforced error, mas tumaas sila ng 2 points.
But 7. I think, Alfred, yung pinaka-power ng Lady Falcons natin sa game na ito, yung aces nila.
Yeah. Binibigyan nila, pinapahirapan nila yung water defenders nila sa pag-receive ng bola, lalo na sa serve. Talagang kinakarga nila kasi yung service talaga nag-start ng laro eh. So, kailangan pahirapan mong kalaban mo sa receive para mas basic na lang yung play na bibigyan ng setter.
Nga, tingnan natin if babawi ngayon ang Lady Falcons to lessen those unforced errors, but not starting off on the right foot with a miss serve straight into the net. First point will go to the water defenders. Yan si Jasmine Nabor, ang ating star player so far sa match. Soyud goes cross court to Pantone. Malabanan off the block. Binigay kay Soyud.
Yan.
At yung down the line shot, walang tao.
Wala. Talagang kitang-kita na yung butas dun ng defense ng water defenders. Pero ngayon, we can see action from Giselle Singh. Ngayon, no?
Ayan, si Jorel Singh.
Jorel.
She is back in the game. Usually, substitutes for Jerry Lee. Yeah. But it looks like she is subbing for
Urdas
at the moment. So she is a utility hitter. Let's see how she contributes to the team, if they will close out set number 3 or if babawi itong Lady Falcons. But again, hindi nila to kailangan ngayon. Yung mga service error. Kakasabi lang natin na yung PowerPoint nila yung aces.
Pero ngayon, puro error sila sa service. 2 service errors kaagad yun to start the game. Talagang di makakatulong yun kung gusto nilang manalo ng set na to.
Yes, not looking bright so far for the Falcons. Let's see how they adjust. Nabor on the receive. Soltones goes cross court. Galanza again from the back row, and it is inside.
Parang corner na corner yung palo ni Galanza nun eh. Talagang tansyado na sa line na yun.
Yes, grabe talaga siya sa back row this game.
Yeah. And itong si Ponce, libero ng water defenders. Ay, ng Lady Falcons. Talagang sa UAP pa lang, nakita ko, mag-shine siya eh. Kaya na mag-shine. And yung energy niya nagdadala ng parang kasiyahan for the Lady Falcons. Yung jolliness niya sa loob ng court. Talagang kung may ganun kang teammate, syempre gaganahan ka, di ba? Yung alam mong jolly, sama mo siya, magsaya.
Parang kailangan talaga yun sa isang libero na very spunky, very energetic, and lively on the court.
And maingay din.
Yes, maingay. But again, nakita natin another service error. 3 in a row. Siguro naging ano din, parang nakakahawa din yun, no?
Yeah. Or baka nabati natin kasi...
Nabati mo natin. Kasalanan pala natin.
Let's see ngayon si Soyud kung mag-break na yung curse.
Sana naman. Very veteran player for the team. At yan, over the net naman, Malabanan on the receive. Right now on your screens, you see the Balipier Water Defenders top scorers. It is Malabanan with 9 points. Also Sato with 9 points. Soltones with 6. And Nabor with 6 points.
Wow.
As a setter.
Yeah. Speaking of Nabor, last game nila against the Perla Spikers, nakagawa siya ng 14 points doon. So, hindi na bago ngayon for Nabor na nakakascore siya ng mga ganyang points na matataas. Kasi kaya nang umatake, kaya nang nag-set, kaya nang dumipensa. Lahat kaya na.
Yes, and just to think,
players.
she still has 2 more years in the UAP.
Ma-maximize pa niya yung potential niya ng 2 years.
Ayan, mas makikita natin ngayon ang mga Lady Falcons, mas nagse-celebrate sila sa set na to.
Yun talaga kasi kailangan for a team. Kailangan celebration, kailangan mo mag-enjoy Pag magkamali ka, huwag ka naman mag-dwell dun sa pagkakamali mo. Move on ka agad. Kailangan ng bagong point, bagong set. And syempre, bagong play na rin. Bitawan mo na yung mali.
Ayan, mga words of wisdom from Alfred Balbuena. Alright, and right now, the score is 6-4. The Water Defenders naman, sila naman ang kailangan bumawi. They are down by 2 points. Singh with a hard serve. Perez with a soft touch through the block. Soltones sends it to the back. Ponce was there. Point. Medyo nag-conflict ang calls ng referees.
Yes, tawag ng second referee, net touch. Pero tawag ng first referee, overreaching ata or back row yung setter kasi. Pero,
How about you as a player? What would you have called that?
kung ako referee, nakita ko kasi talagang net touch ng Water Defenders. So, mas nauna yung net kesa sa overreaching eh. Pero yun, nabawi ka ng error from Permentilla. So,
Another service error. Kailangan talaga nilang gamutin yon.
yeah, hindi na siya healthy. Unhealthy na for them. Kasi, biruin mo, 4 service errors na kagad. Sabihin natin, nakagawa sila ng points nun. 4 points. So, 11-5 na dapat yung score nila. Sayang opportunity na yun.
And makita mo din, Water Defenders score right now is 5 kanina.
Yeah.
So, they only really scored 1 point.
And now, error from Galanza. Talagang, puro errors ng Adamson ngayon ang nagpa-pile up. Kaya, nakakascore ang mga Water Defenders.
And Soltones with her famous jump serve. Back row attack. This time, Malabanan with a cross-court kill off the block of the Lady Falcons. Right now, we have the Falcons' top scorers, Soyud with 9, Galanza with 8, Permentilla with 4, Cruz with 4. Permentilla with 5, Cruz with 4. Again, they have the means para umangat talaga. Yung unforced errors is what's bringing them down.
Yeah, they need to find a remedy for that. Kasi,
At
and yun.
baka yan yung maging spark plug ng ating mga Lady Falcons. But right now, we are going into our first technical timeout with a score of 8-7. We will be back after this short break. And we are back. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa set number 3. The Water Defenders taking set number 1 and 2 with the Lady Falcons. Kailangan talagang bumawi this set if they want to stay alive for this match. But before going back to our game and to the stats, we have some tweets. This one is from Rizaldo Badillo. Laban Water Defenders, go Idol Lady Beast, watching from Bataan. And maraming salamat po sa inyo, Rizaldo. Also, another tweet from Zermac06. Lady Falcon, bawi kayo please. Yan, nagmamakaawa na si Zermac. Please, bumawi ang ating mga Lady Falcons. Siguro kailangan nilang mas consistent ang mga services. Another tweet from Always Faithful na naman. Wag susuko, Lady Falcons. Kaya pa yan. Bawi sa third set. And yan, sabi nga naman ni Always Faithful, it looks like na gustong bumawi ng ating Lady Falcons in this
wag
set.
susuko.
Also
Gusto
again,
mo.
from Vexes 19, Nabor plus Sato plus Soltones equals solid. Tas idagdag mo pa si Kayuna. Yes, a very solid roster for Coach Roger Goried. Pero hindi papayag ang ating mga Lady Falcons. What
solid
a kill.
Spike naman dun. Pagkasabi mong solid, pinakitaan tayo ni Gemma Galanza ng solid na palo eh.
Yes, a very solid player nga naman. But right now we have some stats for you.
Let's talk about the stats for attacks ng both teams. For the Water Defenders, we have Malabanan with 8 excellent attacks and Soltones with 6. And for the Lady Falcons, we have Galanza with 8 and Soyud with 7. So sa digs naman, tignan natin yung bawat libero ng both teams natin. Kung sino mas magaling or mas umaangat sa digs na nakakatulong sa depensa ng bawat teams. For the Water Defenders, si Pantone with 7 excellent digs. And for the Lady Falcons, si Ponce with 5 excellent digs. Na syempre, alam natin off the bench din si Ponce. Pero humahabol siya. Talagang ginagawa niya yung role niya para makatulong sa mga Lady Falcons.
Yes, pero din si Pantone, hindi siya naglaro masyado sa set number 2.
Pero, syempre, veteran siya. Mas experiencado siyang player.
Yes, I feel like mas madali sa kanya maging off-the-bench player. Dahil she already knows the feel sa loob ng court.
Yes.
Yun nga, mas maraming experience.
Yeah, minsan kasi, mas maganda rin yun off the bench kasi nakikita mo yung galaw ng kalaban mo. Nababasa mo yung kalaban mo, as in, mapupwestuhan mo kung saan pupunta yung bola. And talagang ma-attempt mo kasi ma-foresee mo yung bawat kilos ng kalaban.
At yan, looks like na si Pantone gumagana ang kanyang strategy. So far, the Water Defenders still trailing by 3. Lady Falcons look like they are wanting to pull away for this set.
Yeah, pero sabi ni Jerry Lee Malabanan, hindi pwede.
Hindi,
So,
kailangan nila i-stop yung momentum ng Lady Falcons.
And ayaw na pahabain kasi lakas ng ulan eh.
Yun nga. That gives Malabanan the service ball. They are trailing by 2 here in set number 3. Hard serve to Ponce. Good receive. Permentilla off the block and a kill for the Lady Falcons. Also nakita nyo din sa screens nyo na so far si Malabanan, she has 10 points. At mahirap din yung gawin, no, Alfred, in just 2 sets to get 10 points. What's a good, in a 3-set match, what's a solid score for an attacker?
Kung palagi ang bibigyan, tas kung siguro palagi mo napapatay yung bola, kaya mo mag 20 points eh. Kasi na-experience ko na yun dati, naka 20 points ako. Pero
hindi naman sa nagyaya pa.
Pero kaya kung gagawin mo, kung gusto mong gawin, and syempre, kung gusto mong manalo ng game.
At yan, nakikita, di ko alam if nakikita ng ating mga viewers sa screens, pero si Pantone natanggal ang kanyang sapatos.
Yeah. Sobrang depensa na dun. Natanggal sapatos niya. Sobrang angat ng bola.
Sa sobrang focus niya. Wala na siyang paki sa sapatos niya. Yan ang dedication ng player. But right now, looks like na gumagana sa Lady Falcons ang mga timeouts na tinawag ng kanilang coach. So far, they are up by 4 points. Cayuna sets up Soltones, but she is blocked. Parang mababa na quick attack, but they make it work. Si Singh magbibigay ng free ball. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng Falcons. And a score! Yun nga, sinasabi natin kanina pa, delikado talaga yung mga free balls na yan.
Yes. Ngayon, tingnan mo, 9-5 attack points. Lamang na lamang ang Lady Falcons sa attack points. Errors lang talaga nakabigay ng points sa mga water defenders. Kasi 5 errors.
Abangan din natin yung stats na yun, yung mga unforced errors ng ating mga Lady Falcons. Score right now is 15-10, about to go into the second technical timeout. Pantone. Sato with a quick kill right down the middle. Si Sato, isa sa mga pinaka-lethal players ng mga water defenders. Also, we see in set number 3 the attack points, 50%. For the Lady Falcons, but only 23 for the Water Defenders. At kitang-kita sa puntos na yon, that sends the Lady Falcons into the second technical timeout of the set. We will get back to you after another short break, only here on PVL on SNA. And we are back still in set number 3 here. Thank you for tuning in to our live stream broadcast. This is Cassie Gormley, your facilitator. And with me, of course, Alfred Valbuena. And before we get back to the game, we have some tweets for you. This one is from Omaterang Girl. Go Gemma, go Adamson, kaya pa yan. And sila naman yung angat ngayon.
Yeah.
At turn of events.
Kaya pa.
Here in set number 3 right now. This one is from Jonah565. Now watching PVL on ABS-CBN via live streaming here in Auckland, New Zealand. Miss ko na ang Pilipinas. Yan, Jonah, stay safe there in New Zealand. Thank you for tuning into our live stream. Yan, lumalawak na ang scope natin sa mundo.
Yeah.
Meron na tayo sa New Zealand.
Saan pa kaya tayo aabot?
Abangan natin yan. Baka sa next games pa, mas dadami ang ating mga live streamers from around the world. Right now, the score is at 17-11. The Lady Falcons really pulling ahead. Binigay kay Singh, cross-court attack. Si Galanza, nahirapan sa set na yon, but she makes it work. Si Kayuna naman, yung nahihirapan sa pag-set sa kanyang mga teammates.
Yep.
And that forces Coach Roger to call a timeout. Siguro at this point, Alfred, the Lady Falcons feel really good at the moment.
They really feel good ngayon na syempre angat sila ng 7 points. And coming into the third set, kailangan syempre manalo para mabuhay pa sila sa laban na to. Pero for the Water Defenders, napapansin ko parang hindi pa pinapasok ni Coach Roger si Nabor or yung mga first six nila.
Maybe pinapa-expose si Kayuna or pinapa-rest si Nabor. Tingnan natin kung ano plano ni Coach Roger. But before we get back to the game, this is another tweet from Coach Mavs. Sabi, walang sapatos, tuloy pa din ang laban. Yan, referring to yung pagtanggal ng sapatos ni Pantone. Parang magre-receive siya tapos naiwan yung sapatos niya, pero go pa din. This one naman from Josh Gemma Galanza. Grabe, so proud of these girls. Go Adamson, utak, puso, laban. Yan lang ang kailangan ng girls natin dito ngayon. And it looks like gumagana ang ganyang strategy. Let's see after this long rally. It is still alive. Middle attack from Perez. Soltones, another soft touch. Galanza, good adjustment. Soltones, cross-court attack. Galanza was there. Tight set. Unable to make it work.
Yes, napapansin ko dito sa mga Lady Falcons, talagang nagdala sa kanila ngayon sa set na to si Romero off the bench. Maganda yung pinapakita niya, nadidistribute niya yung bola sa bawat players. As in, maganda yung plays nila and na-maximize niya yung middle spiker lang ngayon.
Yes, the young setter really making a difference sa kanyang team. But that powerful kill from Gretel Soltones stops the accumulation of points ng ating mga Lady Falcons.
Pero syempre, sabi ni Soltones, hindi pwede. Kailangan namin ipanalo nito. Ayaw na namin maulit yung parang nangyayari nung game nila versus the Perlas na up sila 2 sets.
Sa kanila naman yung mangyari.
Yeah.
Let's see, Gretel Soltones with a soft touch. It is still alive. Romero runs after that ball. Free naman binigay sa Water Defenders. Soltones from the middle. It looks like she was punishing Ponce on that kill.
Lumalabas na yung sinasabi mong inner beast ni Soltones. Bawat palo niya, binibigay niya lahat.
I think every player has that killer instinct, yung competitive side nila. Pero depende din yung kung paano nila i-handle yun eh.
Siyempre, nakita mo rin yung team mo na down nga, na malaki, na siyempre, gusto mong ipanalo na yung game, isang set na lang.
Kailangan nang bumawi.
Yeah, bigay mo na lahat. Baka may maulit-ulit yung dati. Ayaw mo nang maulit yung dati. So, gawa mo ng paraan.
Yes, at sabi nga ni Fexes19, bawi guys, #Water Defenders. Really rooting for their teams. Let's see who comes out on top for set number 3. Parang si Gretel Soltones, victim time and again of yung team on top, pero kinakapos lang lagi.
Yeah, yung parang nangyari sa kanya sa NCAA. Ilang beses siyang nangyari sa kanya yun. Talagang top sila sa standings. Twice to beat, thrice to beat. Pero natatalo sila sa championship.
I think sakit din niya ng
Sobra.
pagiging kampante. Kapag mataas na kayo, tapos onti na lang. And again, delivering for the team. Soltones looking to close out set number 3. Makita mo talaga sa mata niya, like, fierce eye of the tiger. Hindi sa USD or anything. But right now on the scores, on your screens, you see Nabor with 16 points, Kayuna with 5, Romero with 17, and Kaule with 5. So, yung mga setters on the courts right now each have 5 excellent sets. Pero, ayan, makita mo naman si Nabor who did set number 1 and a little bit of set number 2 with 16. She is still not on the court right now. Siguro may plano din yan si Coach Roger para dyan.
Yeah, siguro ina-expose pa niya yung team niya. Gusto niyang paikot ng mag-shuffle ng players and gusto niya makita yung bawat laro or potential ng hindi na nagagamit na players niya nasa sa bench. Like, ngayon, si Sing nga, ginagamit na ng todo, in-expose na ng todo ngayon.
Yes, at
And
si
si
Kayuna.
Menjola.
Ay, Menjola nga.
And Kayuna, yeah.
But Gretchen Sotones again with another point after a soft touch at the top of the net. Siya naman magsaserve. Quick attack from Perez. It is still alive over on the other side. Malabanan, but great recover from Pantone. Soltones in the back row. Si Galanza na block sa net. Gumagana na ngayon ang blockings ng ating water defenders and right on time. The score right now is 19-17. 2 points na lang ang lamang ng ating mga Lady Falcons. Soltones again with another jump serve. Ponce on the receive. Galanza this time powering through the block. Yan, di siya papayag na twice in a row.
To stop the bleeding na rin for the Lady Falcons. Siyempre, kailangan na mag-step up ng captain ball nila. And konti na lang para mapanalo nitong set na to. Gagawin na ng lahat.
Yes, at si Galanza on cue, palagi talagang nagdi-deliver in the crucial points.
Maasahan siya sa harap likod.
Ayan, this time, back row attack for the Lady Falcons. Si Malabanan. Good touch, sending it to the back. Galanza na naman, pero si Pantone. Grabe, makes it look so easy at the back. And points, this time will go to the water defenders. I think pinag-usapan din natin yan si Pantone kanina na she's not a very quick libero. She's just very good at yung pagpwesto niya sa bola.
Yeah. Magaling kasi siya magbasa ng palo ng kalaban. As in, binabase na sa blockers. Kung saan may butas, doon siya dumidepensa. And yun kanina kay Galanza, yung talagang sobrang simple lang ng angat ng bola. Parang wala nangyari. Dinala sa kanya yung bola.
Yun, kaya sobrang importante din yung defense nga na sinabi mo, yung pag-block at the net para mabasa yung mga libero. But right now, some substitution over here on the side of the Lady Falcons. The score right now is 21-18 with Romero to serve. Gets the receive. Ponce sets up Soyud. She goes cross court. Singh was there. Ordaz back in the game. Whoa, Superman attack over there.
Back row no?
Ano, mas madali ba yon, Alfred? Or mas mahirap kapag yung bola sinet for the back row pero medyo malayo sa linya?
Well, kung ako, tatanungin ako, mas gusto ko mas malayo sa linya. Parang medyo mas mataas lang sa tres yung set. Kasi mas gusto kong pa-broad yung palo ko, lalo na pag sa is. Para yung momentum ng talon ko, mabigay ko sa palo and yung
at mas
yung
madali
force,
mabaon.
Yeah. And may yung timing mo rin, yung hang time mo rin sa area. Gusto mong mas mataas yung talon mo, malayo naman yung center line, hindi mo matatapakan. So, mas maganda na mas malayo yung bola sa iset sa is.
So, depende din talaga sa players. That's why setters, kailangan talagang kilalanin yung players nila.
Super important
isa't-isa.
yun. Para, kunwari, bibigay ko lang sa likod kasi kilala mo na yung player mo, yung teammate mo, yung spiker mo, na yun na yung palo niya, yun yung set sa kanya, parang inaamoy mo na lang.
At kailangan din matutunan yan ni Romero as a young setter. She still needs to get to know her hitters. But right now, we have another timeout called by Coach Roger. Mukhang gustong tapusin ng Lady Falcons at itong set na to. But right now, we have another tweet from Richard Kabasag. Sabi niya, "Go Falcons, laban!" Lumalaban nga naman ang ating mga Lady Falcons. It is now 23-19.
2 points na lang para makuha ng Lady Falcons itong set na to at para mabuhay pa sa laban. Ngayon, pinapasok na ni Coach Roger mga starters niya.
Ayan, kompleto na ulit sila dyan sa loob ng court. Ay, mayroon pang isa na hindi na mapapasok. Si Malabanan, siya yung nawawala ngayon sa starting lineup ni Coach Roger. But let's see how the adjustments work. Kung makakahabol pa ba ang ating mga water defenders. Ordas off the block. Galanza nandun. Soyud, papalo. Through the block and a kill.
Talagang nag-e-enjoy ngayon yung Lady Falcons, no?
Yeah, very smart play din para kay Romero dahil yung open hitter ng kalaban ay
Maliit.
hindi katangkaran. Yes. But the score right now is 24-19, set point. Romero, binigay sa gitna, blocked by Sato. Ponce, binigay kay Galanza. Back row, and just like that, the set ends with a final score of 25-19. The Lady Falcons are still in this. Tingnan natin sa set number 4 kung sino ang tatagumpay after this short break.